Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. The property we have for you today is located in Custom Pastures, Discovery Bay, St. Anne. Let me give you a quick overview on Discovery Bay. Discovery Bay is on the north coast of Jamaica, and for many locally, it is known as Dry Harbor. It is also approximately an hour drive from Montego Bay and about 40 minutes from Ocho Rios. Now, let's talk about this house. This beautiful Georgian style house sits on 12,713 square feet of land and is across the street from the beach. It is also 2 minutes walk from Puerto Rico Beach. This house comprises of 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a washroom, ceramic tiling, kitchen, and a single car enclosed garage. The property is also fully fenced and has a beautiful ocean view. The current price of this house is US 485,000 or Jamaican $76.6 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.